Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. In this video, me and my friend Faidi Rahman would like to present about our game. Our game is called Recycle Rush. Now to the next slide. Go to the next slide. Okay, basically the background of our game is an educational game. Which is we take the concept from the recycle. Uh, uh, This game is regarding about the issue in the beach, which is you can see nowadays our beach is very dirty. It's filled with a lot of trash. Okay. So we implement the concept of recycle in this our game. Okay, for our audience, we target that all type of audience, regardless on age number and gender. Okay. Next, we move to our objective. Okay, as you can see, there are 4 objectives here, which is the number 1 is our game is to share the issue regardless about the issue of the cleanliness in the beach. As you can see, it's getting worse day by day. Number 2 is we want to implement the cleanliness in all people regardless of age. Next, this game also increase focus of the player in doing things by providing a timer to complete an objective. Okay, and lastly, this game also has strategy element as the player need to choose character that suits their playstyle before playing the game. Okay, next we move to our characters in the game. We have 3 characters here, which is Bob, Aiman, and Siti. Firstly is Bob. Bob has large load than the other characters, but he is a bit slower than the other 2. Next is Aiman. Aiman, the characteristic of Aiman is balance in load and speed. And lastly, Siti. She is faster than the others, but she has a small load. Okay, next we move to operation. The operation of this game, number 1 is we must move the characters and pick up the trash, and then we put the trash according to its type, to its recycle bin. Okay, next is then the player will earn points for each trash collected. And lastly, points will be deducted if the player put trash to wrong bin. Okay, next we move to the instruction of the game. So this is the button that you need to use when you play this game. First is left arrow. Left arrow, basically we know we use left arrow to move left. Then right arrow we move right. Then space bar here. To collect the trash. Okay, then Z here to put paper to the bin. Then next is X to put plastic in the bin, and C to put glass to the bin. Next, I would like to explain about the obstacle of this game. We have 3 here. First is the timer counting down for player to collect the trash, which means the player need to collect as fast as possible, as many as possible to collect the trash before the time is over. Number 2 is computer collect more trash than the player play. And number 3, put trash to the correct bin according to the type of the trash. Okay, for the outcome, in order to win this game, okay, you need to collect more points than the computer before the time is over. In terms of losing this game, player has less points than the computer at the end of the game.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mak Farid and I'm here to present the storyboard for the game. Here you can see this is the splash screen of our game. We use bright colors so the player can attract to the game. So this is our main homepage. There are 4 buttons, new game. So the player can click the buttons to play the game. Next is setting. Setting, the player can adjust the graphic and the sound of the game. Next is instruction to show to the player on how to play the game. Next is about to give what you call it, overview what our game is about. And at the top right of the homepage is the X button to quit the game. Next is how to play page. Here you can see we use red color text on the green background, so the text will be more clear. Here you can see the instruction on here. Next is about page. Here the player can see what is our game is all about and the objective of the game. And next is setting page. Here the player can adjust the volume in the game and the graphic, low, medium, high. Next is the character selection page. Here the player can choose one character from 3 characters available, and this here show the strength and weakness of the player of each character. And level, there are 3 levels that player can choose: easy, medium, and hard. And to play the game, the player must click this button. Here is the gameplay page. Here this represent the score of the character, the player. This represent the load of character for each type of beam. This is the timer of the level. And as you can see, this is the player and this is the computer. The player must collect more points than the computer to win the game. Okay, this is after, if the player win the game, the victory pop-up will shown on the screen. Here the player can choose whether to quit the game or continue to the next level. Next is lose page. Here, if the player lose the game, the player can either try quit the game or retry the level. Okay, lastly is the quit page. If the player click the quit button, it will pop up the confirmation whether the player really want to quit the game or not, because sometimes the player can misclick the button in the game. Okay, that's all for us. Thank you.
The game works. Okay. In order to move the character, we use the arrow buttons. To move the character to the left, we use the left arrow button, and to move him to the right, we use the right arrow button, like this. And also we can use the up button here to jump, like this. Boing. Okay, that's all.